From busy Kuala Lumpur, I made my way to a more serene part of the country.
Separated from the mainland of Malaysia is Pulau Langkawi, one of the 99 islands of this archipelago.
Here, the sky is dominated by this particular bird species, which is a symbol of the city.
They say that Langkawi comes from the word helang, a reddish-brown eagle from the Brahminy kite family that inhabits this area.
Langkawi is known for being a bird watcher's paradise with 230 species of birds calling it home or stopping here on their migratory route. I hope to get to see some of them. The main island is made up of both coastal areas as well as forest-covered mountains. I was staying in one of the resorts tucked away in the ancient rainforest, but also close enough to the sea. In the pond and wetland areas, I saw some species of ibis, egret, and herons. I decided to go on the walking paths, getting dwarfed by the towering primeval trees. Most rainforest birds are hard to spot, but I heard their calls everywhere. Then I saw a playful, gray-bellied squirrel feeding among the trees. Looking further up, I was rewarded by a sighting of the endangered dusky-leaf monkeys. With their signature white spectacles and white mouths. It's nice to see them thriving here. I also had a rare glimpse of the elusive Sunda flying lemur, which sleeps during the day and hunts at night. Further up in the mountains were some pied imperial pigeons and a sight of the beautiful rhinoceros hornbill. It's a truly magnificent creature. But to get to see Langkawi's iconic Brahminy kites and sea eagles, I had to ride a boat to the surrounding rivers flowing out to the Andaman Sea. The area is the Kilim Geoforest Park, protected for its ancient karst formations and mangrove ecosystems.
This is a World Heritage Site, and the area was formed 500 million years ago. Can you imagine how long that is?
It was great to see the many rock formations and learn of the local myths attached to them.
They say this is the crocodile cave, not because there were crocodiles before, but because the rock formation is shaped like a crocodile head. During the high tide, we're unable to cross, but today we have a low tide, so we'll be able to go inside this cave. It's always interesting to go inside these mangroves and get surprised with what animals, what fish, or other sea creatures there are.
Wow. Stopping by an area of the river, our boatman introduced me to a unique type of fish.
So this is called an archer fish. He's spitting on my finger.
They're known for being remarkably accurate shooters.
Okay, this guy is trying to size me up. It's funny how they instinctively try to spit water so that the bread would fall off my finger. Oh. That one was a piranha. I lost my finger.
Along the way, we passed by some fish pens that doubled as floating restaurants. They showed us some of the species of fish you can see in the area.
So we got 4 stingray inside. We just name Ali, Abu, Ahmad, and Fatima.
Okay. Oh, so what do you feed them? Fish?
Yeah.
Oh, fresh fish also.
Meat fish.
Oh, I see. But these are coral fish, right?
This one, if you want to see
Ooh.
real life, you can go to scuba.
Of course. Wow, very aggressive. Yeah. So of course the big ones get to eat the fish.
Right.
The brief tour worked up an appetite, and I was ready for a sumptuous lunch. There's nothing like freshly caught seafood, fish, crabs, and my favorite mantis shrimp.
Very good.
Afterwards, we continued along the river until we finally caught sight of the Brahminy kites circling around. On the trees, some white-bellied sea eagles waited for an opportunity to grab some food. The predatory birds come here in great numbers, as the locals have become used to feeding them.
There you go. Wow, so many of them.
They were quite big, with terrific eyesight and lightning-fast movement. It's a spectacular sight to see a large number of them swooping down the water to catch food. I enjoyed watching how their pattern of flight is similar to an aircraft doing a touch and go. My adventure ended as we went back to the ExecuJet facility, where our trusty Falcon 900 waited to take us home. It was a great end to my trip to these nearby islands, getting to catch up with old friends, sampling some authentic local dishes, and enjoying some aviation and avian discoveries.
This has been your captain, Joy Roa. See you in the next Asian Air Safari.